Hey guys, and welcome. So today on Robot Rescue, we have a Shark robot vacuum cleaner here, and as you can see, it's seen better days. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean the main brush roller. These are the side brushes, and this is the main brush roller. So let's get started. And as a reminder, this will work on any model. This just happens to be an RV754, but this will work on the IQs and the Ions. So for this process, you're only going to need a pair of scissors or a knife, whatever you prefer to use. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn our robot off. And we're going to pop this panel off. Yours might be black, gray, white. Just depends on what model you have and where it was bought. Next, these vary in design, but they're pretty much the same. You'll see some, let me see if I have one. This one's a little bit different. There's several different kinds. Some have rubber in between them, some don't. And we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to start cutting all the fuzz off. I went ahead and simulated this with some bedding from a dog bed. We'll just peel all that off so it's nice and clean. And it won't take long. There's a little hook tool that comes with your robot. If you still have that and haven't thrown it away, you might want to implement that now if you want to cut it with that. Make sure you get all the hair off at the ends where the bearings are going to be. So this is the bearing location right here. And if you pop that off, you'll see the bearing right here, and you'll be able to get the hair off the shaft. That can burn up your bearing, causing premature failure. Then we just simply pop that back on, finish removing the rest of the hair. Now for time's sake in this video, I'm not going to finish removing the hair, obviously. Now we want to come into the cavity and make sure we clean up all the hair and all the mess that's in here. Blow it out with an air compressor. And then on this one, we have an indicator of which way it goes to indicate arrow line up. The left side will always fit in first, which is the motor-driven side, and the bearing side will slide in last. Follow up by closing it up and turning it on. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. And no, I do not sell parts anymore, unfortunately. eBay was just a treasure trove of scammers, so unfortunately I don't sell parts.